Hey, this is Bill for Sparky channel. This is my DeWalt 60 volt max brushless trimmer. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to change out this head for this Quickload head. And the reason I'm doing that is the Quickload system is a lot faster and easier to change out the string. Okay, the way you do that, you put a screwdriver in this notch right here, and if you go in here a little farther, there's another notch. Right there, I have the screwdriver in it now. And then there's a third notch inside. Okay, you gotta kind of work it in there. So I have the screwdriver in all three of the notches. Now you gotta turn this clockwise. And this one's been on here a while and it's really stuck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my big channel locks on here. And I'm going to turn this clockwise. There we go. Okay. It gave. So now it'll just spin right off. Okay, so here's the old head. Let's be taking that off. Okay, it's a good idea to take this item right here off and just clean everything out. See, there's a bunch of grass in here. It's kind of your only chance to clean it for a long time. You see there's two flat areas on this, and there's flat areas on this, and it has to align. There you go. So this is going to go on counterclockwise. It's a left-hand thread. Okay, after you get it on a little bit, you got to align this again. When you buy it, this spool comes with the .080 string, but after it runs out, I can replace it with the .095 string, which is what I'm going to do. But we'll start out with the .080 string. All right, so this is just perfectly the right length. It might be a little long, but it'll be okay. Okay, so now we're ready to go. I'm going to put the battery back on. You always take the battery off before you do this. To restring a Quickload, put the arrow in line with the eyelet so that you can see through to the other side from eyelet to eyelet. Then push your string straight through. Get the ends even, then pull all the string till it's tight. Now with one hand on the ring and one hand on the cap, use a ratcheting motion to load up your new spool. Now cut your string to the right length. So there you go. That's what's so cool about these speed feed and Quickload heads. I just loaded 20 feet of line into the spool very quickly. So you're on a job site and you run out of line, you want to put some new line on, it's so much easier. I'll put links in my video description for the DeWalt Quickload trimmer head. And I'll put a link for the DeWalt 60 volt max trimmer and the DeWalt 20 volt max folding trimmer. Also, I'll put a link for the Echo speed feed head that works with the SRM Echo models. It works on the DeWalt trimmers, and the DeWalt trimmer head works on the Echo SRM models. I'm going to have a video about that to show you the interchangeability. And I'll put links for the DeWalt .095 and 0.080 trimmer line, and I'll put links for the DeWalt 20-volt max blower and the DeWalt 20-volt max hedge trimmer. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.